I like to show you the basics of wrapping a deep box. The height of the paper is the length of the box, plus a slightly smaller depth at the top and bottom. Fold the right edge of the paper slightly to create a clean edge. Turn the box face down. Place the right edge of the paper in the center of the box. Crease in the right corner to secure the box. Mark the overlap area about 1 inch. Cut off excess paper. Place back the box face down, with the right edge of the paper aligned with the center of the box. Fold the right corner and wrap the paper tightly. Apply double-sided tape to the center of the back of the right edge. Then close it tightly. Make sure the box is centered. Close the box from the bottom first. Fold down the top tab. Fold each corner all the way in. Fold the side inwards. Make sure to create clean creases. Fold up the bottom tab. Mark at the center where the lines intersect. Fold it inwards along the mark. Apply double-sided tape to close the bottom. Placing it upright will make it easier to close the top. Fold each corner all the way in, just like the bottom. Close with double-sided tape to complete. Make all corners sharp and neat. Now you can make perfect gift wrapping for a deep box.